y'all? SCS, Steve Davis. We back with another one. So today, let me make sure I got my cards. Yep, knew it. Leaving the house without my cards. Much needed necessity. Yep. I went all the way back to the house, man. Cards in my pocket the whole time. Moving too fast, man. But I'm back rolling. So I'm about to go run to the ATM and get this tree guy his money. Let me tell y'all, the price of this one tree, it's been average for 800 and up. I'm just saying 800 and up. It could have been down, like it could have been down a long time ago, like months ago. But still, everybody with the concrete and dirt was throwing me $30,000 quotes, like when it's $3,000 worth of concrete, and I just didn't understand. Like at that point, I was telling y'all a long time. At that point, I was like, man, I might as well go buy an acre somewhere else and then do it, because I'm not putting $30,000 in a 1,000 and some change square foot pad. Like, it's don't make no sense. So I bring the home value up. Like, they were saying all kinds of stuff to you. They trying to make you spend your money. Like I ain't got like no clue on what's going on. And second, I had one company send me the best offer, $11,000, right? And then they double back and send me a quote for $15,000 with less work. I was like, oh, what? I was gonna ride with y'all, man. Well, yeah, that went sideways. It's a shark world out here, man. But yeah, like I said, that tree could have been down. This is what happened. It was a white guy and a black guy, and I guess they offer tree service, $100 a tree, long as they don't have to climb it, right? I said, cool. I had them come cut this tree down, but they gonna have to climb it. They was like, oh, we do it for 800. I was like, man, that's kind of high, because that's not the first getting quotes for the tree. They're like, best we can do, $650 tomorrow. I was like, all right, what you need from me to lock it in? And he pulled his phone out, and when he was pulling his phone out, I seen Confederate flag on his arm. I was like, all right, I'm not interested no more. Y'all can leave. What happened? Wow. I was like, just y'all can leave. Like, don't be coming to, you know, if you know what I'm saying. I ain't no racist or nothing, but people who support the Confederates are usually racist. I'm not saying I'm a racist, because I'm not. But what I'm saying is, if you support that BS, don't come to my house. I'm not interested in nothing you got to offer. And you can leave right now. Like, no. That's not what my money is contributed to. So, I rode past some Mexicans cutting trees yesterday. And when I seen the grind with these guys, man, I'm talking about they was getting it. They're like, yeah, we can't really do it with the company stuff, but him right here, he pointed me to another guy in the right direction. He could cut it down for you, and you do this in his spare time too. I was like, all right, bet. He came and looked at it. He said, 800. I was like, dang, here we go, 800. He's like, you know what? If you're really serious, I'll do it tomorrow morning, 700. I was like, all right, cool, 700. So now I'm going to ATM, get him his money, and then shoot, I got a drone. We can get some drone footage of the tree getting cut down, and then that's the last tree I'm worried about. I just called Sunbelt Rentals, man, because like I ain't never tell y'all, but Bobcat got over on me. I took the machine up there, and they told me they couldn't get it running, and still charged me for 4 hours of labor, over $100 an hour for something they couldn't run. I'm not even a diesel mechanic, and I got the thing running in less than an hour. Like, they be getting over, man. Then if you don't pay, you get to put a lien on your machine, keep your machine, or move it out of the public way so you don't even know where it's at. All kind of crooked ass shit, man. These people telling y'all it's a world full of sharks. I'm telling you. So you better have your knife ready. So anyway, I'll call Sunbelt Rentals, because I was gonna rent from them, because I'm trying to every way possible not contact Bobcat at all, because that was some BS. When I get my machine back there, I'm gonna leave a review. But Sunbelt Rentals, I was like, okay, maybe I can pick up the machine today if I can get some dirt drop. Because literally, I want to put the dirt down, and then that tree still right there, and that tree got to be cut, and then they gotta redo the dirt and stuff like that. So, but really, I'm trying to put the dirt right there so I can move all the dang cars and put a gate up. Cause it's looking like a junkyard at the house. I'm trying to organize all my stuff, man, and we'll be in a better position if everything organized. But me moving fast, I was like, damn, tomorrow J Malcolm meet. Ain't no way I'm gonna be able to get the machine, get some dirt, and start pushing, and still be at the show. So I just said, all right, that's something for next weekend. Even though I had a plan for next weekend, I was trying to take my daughter to a dirt trail with our 4-wheelers. We ain't rode in over 2 years, man. I was trying to bring it out for her, but it's more important, man. This stuff make money, so I probably try to shoot for one day on the weekend, then try to take her Saturday, Sunday with some people from work. But yeah, let me get this guy his money, and then hopefully I'll get some drone footage for y'all. Card, cash. That's what I'm talking about. We ready to rock. I got the cash. I actually left a little bit late for the ATM, and then I thought I left my card, and then yeah, he called me. So he ready. I'm late now. I'm late now. Did 4 trees at 9 o'clock.
And they were in the backyard like this in the corner of the fence.
Close together. He said he already did a job already. It's 9:30. So yeah, we got to get this one big boy down. But you gonna climb it. He brought 2 steels. He said he ready to get it to action, man. Let's see, bet. That thing nice and compact. Probably ain't that heavy either. Short bar and chain. All right, so here we go. He about to get up there. I'm gonna get the drone together. Well, I can get y'all the drone footage, how the drone about over there. Recording the whole thing. Let me check my camera angle. Straight ahead. Oh, that should be good then. I mean, I guess I already know what I'm doing. But yeah. Suck on the dang drone, man. I need some drone time. See how many times I just dropped the thing? About 4 times. I'm not controlling it. It ain't that easy. Make my other calls. Woo! I was wondering how I was gonna get this done. It was perfect time. God showed me this, man. Amen. Amen. Yes. Concrete slab, extended backyard, future basketball court. It's going down. Yep. That's it for y'all. I'm out.